Anywho, I wonder that for your typical teen who has never had sex before, they may think that what they see in pornography represents a typical healthy sexual relationship because they have nothing to compare it to. Do you think it does? No, because porn is entertainment. It's not real. Watching pornography and thinking that it's real would be like watching the Fast and the Furious and thinking that it's a driver's education video. Ridiculous, right? Not to mention that pornography doesn't represent typical healthy bodies. Not all breasts are ginormous. There's no such thing as a foot-long penis, not on a human anyway, and people actually have hair on their genitals. Also, a lot of pornography makes some pretty bold assumptions about what people want in a sexual relationship. For example, if you believed everything you saw in porn, you might think that women enjoy domination and even violence during sex, and that consent means nothing. What really matters is what the guy wants. Is that true in real life? Absolutely not. But in porn, the consent conversation, which often does happen, isn't filmed because it's not sexy or entertaining. I think you might already know this, but it's worth reminding you that porn puts lots of ideas in people's heads about what's expected of them during sex. And you can imagine how this could affect future sexual relationships, especially for those who haven't even been in one yet. Girls might feel that they should be up for anything, enjoy stuff they really don't enjoy, and that it's not an option to say no. Boys learn that sex should last for hours, that they should take charge, and even objectify and dominate their partner because that's what's sexy and cool. Talk about pressure. Ugh.